Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So this is another video for from that on the process for the accounts payables to fixed assets. So how could we enter an invoice for the the expense type for the that particular invoice should be the assets. So how could we enter that? So let's start with first of all what we need to do. We need to create an invoice for the asset item and in Oracle Fusion Payables and send it the same invoice information to the Oracle Fusion assets, right? And the track as asset, which is the option that is identifies which invoice to import when you submit to the create mass edition process. So, so first of all, what we need to do, what we need to add like a new asset from the other system to your system automatically without re-entering the data, which is the mass addition. Say, for example, you can add new assets from invoice lines brought over to Oracle assets and from Oracle payables, right? So basically, what we need to do, track as option applies to invoice distribution with asset account and expense account. So at the distribution level, what exactly the distribution account should be is either it can be the assets account or expense account, but asset clearing account should be there in the distribution level so that we can have the exact entries for that, right? So this is the screenshot where we have that option at the line level, uh, the track as asset checkbox that we need to enable, right? So let's move to the application. First of all, we need to go to the payables, enter invoice, click on create invoice, select the BU, supplier, and give the invoice number here, give the amount, how much amount should be, and go to the line level, put the amount there, and you need to select the whether it can be the expense or assets clearing account need to be taken over here. It's taking some time. Okay. So give the asset clearing account over here. We can give that such because currently system is taking the distribution set account. The first one, click on OK and save it. Now scroll to right under the assets tab. Here we have that option which is the checkbox track as asset. Enable it, save it, and validate it. Right? It would take some time. So the total from the line level is doesn't match with the, so because tax already been applied, so just copy and then paste the header amount and align with the line and distribution amount. Again, need to revalidate it. So I clicked on validate. It should be validated now. Yeah. Now, just post to GL. Let's create accounting for that. So system will take the today's date, which is 13th of December. Okay. Save and close. Now click on task panel, and then create mass additions process, right? So you need to select the accounting date, which is the today's date, and the book, which is the US COF for my case. Just submit it. Okay. So this is the process ID, and just open the duplicate one and go to the scheduled processes to check the status of the process that we have submitted. Okay. So it's running after submitting a prepare mass addition, and then it's still running the create mass addition report. It's been successful. Just check the output. Output should be consist the value that we have raised, like the invoice detail that we have raised. Yeah. So you can see we have this, and this is the way that we can open this. Otherwise, we can the another option to open this file, the output file. Let me go back to the file, the output file, republish, and in which you format you want to. I want to HTML, so it will be just opened in the HTML format. So this is the format, HTML1. So you can check all these details that we have created, right? The asset account is being this like 65600, and the line detail, including the text detail, all everything will be there in this report. That means create mass addition successfully submitted and created. Now, what we need to do, we need to move to the assets info tile, assets module, and we need to do some activity over there so that we can interface into the assets, right? We need to change our asset book here, which we have the US book. So this is the invoice number that we have created, and this is a description. Click there. Now the change the status from new to post so that we can post it to, and put the location, right? Select the location, the which the segment has, like for which country we are, USA, and which city, say for example New York city. I'm also taking New York, and then the building, whatever the building name you can select over here. So this is the detail manufacturing unit we are taking up. So location where you are like installing the assets and setting it up. Just you can save it. Okay, save changes. Now, uh, now we have this option like ready to post. So how many assets are ready to post? Two, but IND 02 the invoice number for our case. Now we need to click here, select the line and just post. So addition was submitted. So after submission of, just check. Okay, Go to the schedule processes. Okay. No, I need to select my book, which is US COB UST. So it's been posted or not? So yeah. So queue is post and we have submitted. No, this is not the book. US COB has not been selected here yet. I'm refreshing it. Okay, now it's been selected. Go to the task pane and task pane, the inquire your assets recently added. The asset you can see here, recent additions. So here you can see this is uh, the latest assets that we have included it today itself for this period, this book. So you can just check all the details like the current cost, original cost, net book value, the depreciation method, recoverable cost, and the source line from which source it's being. This is coming from the payables, right? So this is the source. So you can check all the source lines, including all the amounts, line amounts are there. And depreciation tab, we have that. If you running the depreciation, it will be calculated over here, right? Cost history, when it's been added, in which period, on which date, you can check over here and click on done. Okay, so this is the process from payables to assets, how we process the assets from the payables. So I hope this will help for your current project or your knowledge. Thanks for watching.